Okay, today we're going to work on solving one-step inequalities. And for doing this, there are two steps in the process. So first, we're just going to identify the operation of the inequality. We're going to figure out what operation they're doing in the inequality. And step two is to do the opposite operation, which is also called the inverse. So if we look at this first example, u plus 2 is less than or equal to 3. Well, the operation that I'm identifying here is adding. So I'm going to do the opposite of add, which would be subtract. So I'm going to subtract 2. But if I subtract 2 from this side, I also have to subtract 2 on the other side of the inequality sign. So now positive 2 minus 2 cancels out. U is less than or equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we can draw our number line. I'm going to put -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to circle 1. Since I've got equal to, I can color in my circle. And the arrow in the inequality, so this arrow right here, is the arrow on the number line that we color in. So we're going to color in this arrow because it matches. And we need all the numbers that are less than or equal to 1. So that'd be all of those numbers. Okay, so that's how we graph our answer. Let's look at another example. We've got q plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. So again, right here, my operation is addition. So the opposite of add would be subtract. If I do it on the left side, I have to subtract on the right side also. These cancel out, so I have q is less than or is greater than or equal to 5 minus 3 would be 2. Draw another number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3. Okay, so I'm going to circle the number that I have, which is 2. It's greater than or equal to, so I can color in my circle since it's equal to. Then this arrow matches the right arrow over here. And I need all the numbers that are greater than or equal to 2. So that'd be 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers on this side. Okay, let's keep going with this. If I've got 2d is greater than 10. Well, the operation that's happening right here is multiply. It's 2 times d. So the opposite would be to divide by 2. I have to do it on both sides. This cancels out, so I've got d is greater than 10 divided by 2 is 5. And I can put that on a number line too. Say I've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Okay, so I'm going to circle the number I have, which is 5. It's not equal to, so I don't color it in. This arrow matches the right arrow, so I'm going to color all the numbers on this side because I need all the numbers greater than 5, so that'd be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Okay, let's look at one more. I've got a divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 4. So I've got division happening. The opposite of divide would be multiply. So I'm going to take both sides times 2. Well, 2 times a would be 2a over 2, and those would cancel out. So it's just a is greater than or equal to 4 times 2 is 8. Get out another number line. Let's make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So we're going to circle 8. Since this one is equal to, we're going to color it in. Then this arrow matches the right arrow over here. So we color this one in because we need the numbers that are greater than or equal to 8. There we go. And that is how we solve one-step inequality.